Recap and update. Lost my front tooth. Hello. Front toothless Lisa here. Still no tooth. I have an appointment for October the 30th. Don't bite into hard plastic and try to rip it with your front tooth. So, a couple of things. My dentist said I needed either to get a screw put in or a bridge. So, if you've had any experience with either one of those, let me know which you think is best. But I've been shocked, so shocked about talking, listening, weird. So I need your help. Screw or a bridge. Thanks, Gravita. Ciao.